Hello, my name is Nectar. I am a software engineer.
Hey, hi, my name is Flourvee. I'm also a software engineer.
We are residing in Confident Bellatrix. The current villa where we are staying, we bought 2 years back, which is a 15 years old villa. The villa, when we bought it, it was constructed based on the 15 years old architecture, which required more customization before we had many requirements to be added onto it. We also need to change the bathrooms. We need to do the interior work. We have additional requirements of electricals, many other requirements we had. We are looking for a interior designer or an architect who can provide us an end-to-end solution. We scouted for 3 or 4 interior designers and architects. Either they were sticking only with the interior, but we have to do the civil work and other accessory activity. Then finally one day my friend called me, so he also had the interior designer, and that is where we met MEND Design Studio, Karthik, and we liked the finished product, whatever he has done in that particular property.
Our kitchen, it was a very small kitchen initially. We had to break walls to make a bigger kitchen. The current kitchen, the final result is really good. It's quite user friendly and we are very happy with the way the kitchen has turned out to be.
When initially we called MEND Design Studio, so Karthik along with his key architects, they visited the site. So they looked into each and every corner of the home, and then their architectural team did an analysis on which part can be demolished, which has to be kept as it is to maintain the strength of the building, and they provided good solution for our problems. We had multiple requirements there, and when our requirements were explained to them, so their team were actually exploring the home also and providing us a solution. So you can do this one in this way, this wall you cannot break it, this wall you can break it, so that it will be fit. It was fitting to our requirement. The place where I am sitting now is the balcony, which was extended with the help of MEND Design. Their architectural solution was really good that we spend most of the time in this place. Their execution style and their requirements, and during the execution phase also, whenever we ask for any customizations or changes required, they were adapting to it. So they will tell, okay, what is your requirement, and then they will look into all our requirements very carefully, and they also analyze it and they propose it, and then they customized it for our need, and the final output, whatever they have provided, was super, really super. And what we see here is one of the outcome what they have provided, their execution style and their architectural solution that they provided for our home. So I like to thank MEND Design, Karthik and his team for the support he has extended. We couldn't imagine without their support whether this outcome would have come. Whatever we have dreamed of our home would have realized well. So thank you MEND Design Studio for your support, for your commitment, and for realizing this project and fulfilling our needs for our dream home. Thank you very much.